Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blizzard. Happy birthday to you. Yay! You're 6 months. You ready for your treat, buddy? Winty, this is your treat. Okay, I know you're excited. I know you're excited. Oh yeah, for his 6 months, we got him a new shirt. It says iconic. And we gave her a new dress. Hers is pink, and his is blue. And this is Winter's. There's Winter's, and that's Blizzard's. Of course, Blizzard's looking for it already. Your nails, buddy. This is their outfits. Okay, yeah. The birthday boy. Hey, let's go room, buddy. Good sits. Okay, for the birthday boy. Oh, they enjoy their food. The little treats. Winter, you ready? Go room. Good girl. Sit. Here you go. Ooh. This is Winter's. It's okay. You ate your cupcake. Minty didn't want to eat in her room, so here you go. She's just eating it out here. Well, Blizzy wants to get out and get it.
We did end up getting his paw print, and that's all for his birthday. Thank you for watching.